Welcome to this tutorial video on trading cryptocurrencies on PersonalFinanceLab. According to Coinbase, a publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange platform, a cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. Cryptocurrencies can be used to buy goods or services or held as part of an investment strategy, but they can't be manipulated by any central authority simply because there isn't one. On PersonalFinanceLab, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies much like you do with stocks and mutual funds, except with cryptos you can typically indicate how much money you want to buy, and then you end up purchasing a percentage of coins or fractions of a coin. For example, investing $10,000 in Bitcoin, symbol BTC, will get you 0.17 of a Bitcoin or more or less, depending on the market price. To access the crypto trading page, go to the Stock Game tab on the main menu and under Make a Trade click on Crypto. Depending on your session, you may be able to buy, sell, short, or cover cryptocurrencies. To get a quote, start typing the name of the crypto, or if you know it, enter the symbol. To view the available symbols on PersonalFinanceLab, click the button on the bottom left corner of the trading page. Our platform offers 100 different cryptos trading on the Coinbase exchange. Choose the one you would like to invest in and return to the crypto trading page. Enter the ticker symbol to get a quote and use the price history chart to view a simple or advanced chart on how the crypto has been performing over the last day. When entering the quantity, you put the dollar amount in the top field, hit tab, and the bottom will update with the amount of coins or tokens you'll get. You can trade market, limit, and stop orders with cryptocurrencies. If you choose a limit or stop order, you will need to select the price and order term or duration. Watch our tutorial video about order types to learn more. A market order will execute at the current market price. When you're ready to place the order, click Preview to see the estimated cost with commission. Add your trade notes and click Confirm to complete the order. To sell your cryptos or to close your position, you can use the same order screen. Just change the action from buy to sell, then enter the quantity. Or you may prefer to go to the Open Positions page and then select Crypto from the drop-down menu that says Equities by default. Click Trade beside the crypto you want to sell, and you'll be taken back to the crypto trading page. If you want to sell only part of your holdings, you can edit the amount in the second field under Quantity. Click Preview to see the estimated price you'll receive. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to speak to a member of our team. Our help desk is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of those hours, you can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your messaging center on PersonalFinanceLab. Thanks for watching.